Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video, guys. If this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to support my channel. So today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this high neck collar on this circle cape dress. Now if that's what you want to watch, consider watching till the end so that I take you through all the process of making this. This is actually very simple to make, but it's just the technique. Very easy, trust me. Now let's go into today's sewing tutorial. So first I'm going to be starting by showing you the measurement, how you're going to take the measurement for your neckline. So on the neckline, you're going to mark the width of the neckline to be 3 inches, and then the neck depth for the back, you will make it 0.75. Remember, this is without sewing allowance. So this is what I have here, 0.75, and for the front I made it 3.5. So I'm going to take the measurement of this thing. I'll show you how to take it. So I'm going to measure from here all the way to the end, and I will turn it like that, and I'll take the front neckline. You can actually use your natural neck measurement. So what I have here is 8 inches. I'm going to fold it into 2, which will give me 16 inches. So this 16 inches is what we're going to be using for the radius we're using. So we are going to make 16 inches. We are dividing that by 6.28. Whatever that gives us, we're going to multiply this by 4. So that's times 4. So what we got is 10.1, and so that's what we're going to be using. We're actually going to be cutting this on a radius, on a bias form. So I'm using this paper gum stay. Don't say I like using it. I love using it because it's soft on the skin. So this side is not adhesive and there's gum on the other side. So I'm going to fold it on bias like this. Remember, it's single. I didn't double anything. So I'm going to fold it in bias form like this, and I'm going to take the radius that we just made. So for the measurement of your neck, you can actually decide to take it on the neck, straight from the neck. So now I'm going to place my tape rule here and take round the 10.1 inch that we just got. Make sure you don't add and you don't subtract. If not, you're going to get it either too big or too tight. I've been making other high neck collars, but I think this particular high neck collar shape is the best for me. It sits properly on the neckline. So I'm going to use this line as the base, and I'm going to come up with the depth or width of the collar that I'm using. You can use 1 inch or 1.5, anything you want, but for this one I'm going to be using 1.5. The one I made, the one on the thumbnail, I used 1.5. so that's what I'm marking here upwards. As you can see, I didn't go down, I came up. So I'm going to mark this all around, and I'm going to create a curve in front of it. Remember, bishop collar have this curve, so make a curve like that, but not a very sharp curve, just to give it a nice silhouette. So I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to adhere it to my fabric. So you see how nice this is looking already. See how curved it is. I'm going to interface this to the fabric. See it as I've interfaced it, and I've cut the lining for it. So right side facing together, I'm going to go to my machine and sew it from this end all the way there, and I'm going to stop somewhere here. So let me go and do that on my machine and come back to you. So look at it. Once I was done, you see the space that I told you I left, I also left it on the other side. This will help me to sew it on the fabric. So I will show you how to sew it on the fabric. See how this nice this will look. So you can decide this will be in front or that will be in front, any one you want. But for me, I will be using the other side without the opening as the front. So I have already made my circle cape dress. It's just for me to attach the collar to it. So on the neckline, I'm going to turn this like this. Just watch what I'm going to do with this opening like that. I'll place this here. You see, this is the back. So back side, front on back, I'm going to sew it. After sewing it here like that all the way around, I'm going to put this into this place and top stitch it all the way around. So this is it. Once I was done sewing it, you see that area, it helped me to sew it neatly. So I'm going to go to my machine, place it like this, and sew it at the tip. Just make sure you're sewing it at the tip and you're good. So I am done sewing it. As you can see how neat it is, you won't even know the front and the back. So this is how neat it will look. And with this, we have come to the end of today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and comment and share it on your community. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe below and hit on the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorial. As you can see, I am rocking this to the fullest. I love this cape dress because it goes well with the high neck collar. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.